Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Monday, May 12th, 2025. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Just a reminder, please like, share, and subscribe as it actually helps build the channel up quite a bit. And also to hit that notification bell. It works sometimes. Also, if you're interested in more detailed information like the upcoming summer forecast that will be issued this week, along with the tropical forecast, definitely check out the premium consulting membership, only $15 a month. So let's dive into the data as we start off in a beautiful way for this week. So Monday is starting off really nice. High pressures in control, scattered cloud cover, temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 50s over your higher elevations, upper 50s to lower 60s in your suburbs, lower to mid 60s along the coast and in your urban areas. That southeasterly wind, though, is a sign that trouble is brewing. With winds coming from the southeast, you're transporting a more maritime air mass from the Atlantic Ocean. So, what does that mean? Well, for today, it's quiet because this high pressure system's in control. But you can see trouble is brewing to our south. Now, for today, as you can see with the visible satellite picture, we'll see an increase of high clouds and mid level clouds. Those lower clouds, well, they're pushing northward, but for today, they'll stay away. Tonight, you'll see them starting to move in, and tomorrow, they'll be established. And along with those clouds will come raindrops. Why is that the case? Well, we have an upper level low here that is setting up around the mid Mississippi River Valley that will slowly lift to the northeast towards our neck of the woods. And while doing so, it will take this moisture transport right here and basically drive it right into our coastal range. So what that will lead to is waves of rainfall, and then by Wednesday morning, some heavier rainfall, and generally an unsettled weather pattern through the rest of this week into Thursday. And then another cold front that is setting up here from the Pacific will be marching across and heading towards us by the time we get to Friday. And that could also introduce the potential for scattered showers and thunderstorms and maybe an isolated severe thunderstorm. I think that severe threat is more focused to our south and west, but still a very active weather pattern is on the way. So let's dive into the forecast and see what this looks like for today. Beautiful. Scattered cloud cover, plenty of sunshine, temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 60s on Long Island, upper 60s to mid 70s along the coast, upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley, and mid to upper 70s over the interior. So again, once you just get away from the coast and that southeasterly wind, it actually ends up being very nice and a warm day for pretty much almost everyone except for the immediate coastal plain. So basically, if you could walk to the ocean, then you're going to be on the cooler side in the 60s and lower 70s. So by tonight, the clouds increase. A few showers start to break into the region by about midnight. And by tomorrow morning, you'll see more scattered showers take hold. Low temperatures will range from the mid to upper 50s over the interior suburbs, upper 50s to lower 60s in your urban areas. By tomorrow afternoon, widespread showers with a few showers capable of a moderate downpour here and there. Look for high temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 60s throughout the region with that southeasterly wind continuing. The focus of your rainfall is going to be more towards southern New Jersey and the Philadelphia metro. As you move towards the New York City metro, those showers will be scattered. And then as you head towards Connecticut, more of an isolated shower because we're in between that low pressure system and this high pressure system. By the time we get to Wednesday morning, though, we have a fire hose of heavy rainfall marching from southwest to northeast over the region, with heavier rainfall moving through the Philadelphia metro and then lifting up towards the New York City metro in the afternoon. Low temperatures on Wednesday will range from the mid to upper 50s over the interior and in your suburbs, upper 50s to lower 60s in your urban areas. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast, and upper 60s to lower 70s in the Delaware River Valley. This line of rainfall could produce somewhere between a half an inch and an inch of rain over the time period as this is lifting northward. So a rather wet day is setting up for Wednesday. On Thursday, the upper level low approaches, but it's weakening. So more widespread rainfall, but it's light. So you get a lot of drizzle, some lighter rainfall, but not heavy rainfall. So just kind of a raw day on Thursday. Look for low temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to lower 60s and high temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 60s along the immediate coast, upper 60s to lower 70s everywhere else. On Friday, the area low pressure and the upper level low exits. Another cold front approaches from the west. So Friday morning, scattered cloud cover, low temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Friday afternoon, the cold front approaches with increasing cloud cover and scattered showers, but not a washout, more just kind of unsettled. Look for high temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s on Long Island, mid to upper 70s along the coast, and upper 70s to lower 80s in the Delaware River Valley, and mid to upper 70s over the interior. On Saturday, that cold front exits the region in the morning with some lingering showers followed by clearing skies. Look for low temperatures ranging from the upper 50s to lower 60s over the interior, lower to mid 60s along the coast. On Saturday afternoon, another cold front approaches with scattered showers and a few thunderstorms possible. Look for high temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to lower 70s on Long Island, mid to upper 70s everywhere else. On Sunday, another trough passes through with sky cloud cover and isolated shower here and there. Sunday's probably your best day of the weekend. Look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s over the interior, upper 50s to lower 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the upper 60s to lower 70s over the northern interior, lower to mid 70s along the coast. And on Monday, next Monday, look for another trough to move through with sky clouds and a few isolated showers. Look for low temperatures in the lower to mid 50s over the northern interior, mid to upper 50s along the coast. High temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s over the northern interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast. So that's your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day. And as always, stay safe out there.